This is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Then at the search bar type in Opera query. From here you can start the Opera installation either directly from the search results, or you can open the designated app page and tap at the install button over there. Now let's wait for it to be downloaded and installed, which, as you will see now, does not take a lot of time at all. Now, once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it, and while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So tap at the continue button first, then choose whether you would like to set up the notifications for Opera, or enable them, or you can skip this step and do this procedure later on. And in here you can, if needed, set Opera as your default app for browsing, or you can also skip this step. And at this final page you can personalize the permissions and privacy access that the Opera will have, and or simply allow everything that it needs, or at least everything that it asks for, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.